Increase your uptime with Paratherm's gas processing heat transfer fluids. We offer a range of fluids that are economical and highly refined to extend the life of the fluid at your plant. Whether you're in petroleum refining operations, used oil recycling, gas processing, or alternative fuels, Paratherm provides gas processing heat transfer fluids, system cleaning liquids, and technical services. We are proud to provide fluid analysis testing at our headquarters facility in our on-site lab. We will send you a test kit at your request so you can provide a sample of your fluid to be analyzed for quality and performance. Our technical manager will review the results and provide you with any necessary recommendations to extend the life of your fluid. No order is too small for Paratherm. We ship our product in drums, totes, or tanker trucks depending on your system requirements. Call 800-222-3611 to speak with a sales engineer to decide which gas processing heat transfer fluids are right for you.